Welcome to my channel. My name is Daryl. I'm 63 and I'm basically a do-it-yourselfer. I'm gonna go over various tools that I have in my garage and in my basement. I have some Craftsman, some Ryobi, some even other brands, but mostly Ryobi followed by Craftsman. They've served me well over the years as a do-it-yourselfer, but are they good enough for prime time? You decide. Today we're going to review a Vevor demolition jackhammer, model JH0840. This is an inexpensive one you can find on Amazon. I may put the link in the description. Let's just open it up and see what we got. It's a nice plastic case. Comes with some gloves, I guess if you think you need those. Some little cheap gloves. I don't think I'll be using those. Hammer is, I think it was 16 pounds, but quite heavy. This piece is adjustable, so we can turn it depending on what angle we're going to need. It does take a hex shank, so it loads this way. I'll show that in just a moment. So, not a whole lot of details other than that. There's a trigger lock to keep it running, but it's handheld, it is electric. 110 AC. It comes with some goggles. Once again, inexpensive, but if you don't have any, they'll work in a pinch. It looks like these are already coming apart, so I think I'll use my own. Comes with some lubrication. That's to lubricate the shaft when you put it in there, because this is a vibrating tool. Has a dust mask. Has some extra brushes in case your tool dies on you if you use it a lot, which this type of tool is probably meant to be a DIY, couple of jobs, put it in the garage or your shop, which is what most mine are. I'm not a professional by any means, I'm just a do-it-yourselfer. It comes with 2 bits. It comes with a chisel bit. And it comes with a small flat bit. I knew that I was going to be doing a tile job, so I actually went on to eBay. It's the only place I could find one of these in this shank size, and bought me a paddle bit. So this, I believe, was 3.5 or 4 inches. And it hopefully is going to scoop under the tile, which we're going to prove that out here in a little while. I've got a nephew coming over to give me a hand. We'll see how it works. It also has the tools to be able to make repairs to the tool if need be. So let's put a bit in it. What they're going to suggesting according to the manual, and I'm not going to go all over the manual today. We could do a complete manual if we wanted to at some point. But we'll just take a little bit of this grease and we smear it on here. Kind of nasty, especially considering I sat down here without any napkins. And the tool's gonna go in like this. And it's loaded, it's ready to go. So we'll pick back up when we start in the other room. And hopefully, if you're looking to do a small tile job or a do-it-yourself job, this is a tool for you. Hopefully it is for us, because this is all I have today. So, see you in a minute.
So I'm encouraged. Cutting my cord up. hammer seems to be doing okay, but the bit seems to be a little bit struggling to get. It's getting too far under. It's getting stuck. Fortunately, I'm just on top of plywood here, so it's not as bad as it could have been. Maybe I was going at too steep of an angle, and that's why I'm getting stuck. Not sure. But as you can see, it seems to be doing the job. I do one coming right at the camera.
Just to give this a true comparison, the last time I did a tile job was on the floor. I did a backsplash recently, but on the floor was 15 years ago, and I used this device right here. Obviously, I was a little stronger 15 years ago, so I'll let you guys see if it works. Yep, I remember that pain, and that's why I said I would never do that again. So let's just jump back in here and see those same tiles, how this Vevor is going to do. Vevor, whatever. I don't know about y'all, but I'd call that a win. Hey, just thought I'd give an update. I've took a few more tiles and I'm actually standing up now. A little bit different angle. Seems to be working a little better. I'll let you take a look. But if you're doing it other ways, I find this extremely satisfying. Like I said, the $75, I believe. I've been here all day trying to keep up with it. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like these type of videos, please like and subscribe. Suggest a tool you might want to. I have links in the comments. If you need the tool, use that link. You might save a few dollars. Also, it doesn't cost you anything, but it does help my channel and helps me provide this kind of content. Until the next video, y'all take care.